Hi there, Alec O'Mara here with an update on our restoration efforts. Crews made great progress today. We're down to about 1,200 customers without power here at 7:30 this evening, and that's all the way down from a peak of about 21,000 customers that were out Thursday morning. Of those 1,200 that are left, less than 200 are out in the Concord, New Hampshire area, which means that we're approaching the final phase of restoration there. If you are at home and you've seen power restored to your street or your neighborhood, but you're still without power, please make sure that outage is in the system. There may be an issue unique to your home that we need to know about. So if you see your street restored and you're still out, make sure you let us know about that. Like I said, crews will continue working through the overnight hours and will continue to provide updates on our social channels, as well as real-time updates on our outage map at unitil.com/map. We advise everyone to stay safe out there, and we'll continue providing you with the latest. Take care.